Have you ever thought about making your money work for you? Let's dive into the world of systematic investment plans. A SIP lets you invest a fixed amount in mutual funds regularly. Think of it as setting your financial autopilot. Why stress about timing the market? SIPs help you invest consistently, reducing the impact of market ups and downs. You start small, but over time, those little contributions can add up to a significant sum through compounding. It's not just about the money, it's about your goals. Whether it's buying a home or funding your dream retirement, SIPs can help. SIPs encourage disciplined saving. Just like brushing your teeth, it becomes a habit that pays off in the long run. The beauty of SIPs is that you can start with as little as a few $100 a month. Yes, that's right, everyone can start investing. Curious when to start? The answer is now. The earlier you start, the more you can benefit from compounding. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Let the power of SIPs guide your way. Hit that like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more tips on building your wealth the smart way.